Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yep, it looks like Bitcoin played out beautifully out of our pattern and broke out. And wow, what a move this was, huh? As we can see, let me just hide some of these indicators so far and just look at the triangle. And yep, we've been grinding for days and days and days and hours and hours and hours, and finally it just gave in and it broke down super hard. I was at work when this happened, but right in the morning I entered some shorts on my personal account for Ethereum and Bitcoin. I know we made a bad trade the other day. We were trying to short here. I thought that we were not going to get back in, but it looks like we had like a suckers rally right here. People were thinking we're going back up to test the top and we're going to break out. And honestly, yep, if I would have held my short, obviously we would have been massive profits right now, but we definitely exercised risk management, got stopped out exactly where we got stopped out, and then it reversed down. How funny is that? Hilarious. Exactly what Ben said. It tends to just go up to stop you out and then end up reversing down. So obviously it probably just faked everyone out, trying to think that it was gonna drop, or everyone entered their shorts, goes up, everyone thinks it's going up, people enter longs, and then you know what, and then it ends up breaking down, and then it liquidates the longs as well. But if you're smart, you were to re-enter the short again. I entered the short again here. I didn't want to use the challenge account just because people seem to be upset that we made a bad trade yesterday, and we're just going to take a little break from the challenge account at the moment. And yeah, looks like we broke down very hard, and I could honestly expect lower price targets now. The technical target from this breakout would be the $15,000 level for Ethereum, and the technical target for Bitcoin, let's just go back on this chart. The technical target for Bitcoin would be around the $24,000 area. And yeah, I'd be expecting to take some profits there. But honestly, just by looking at historical price history, and if we do break the $30,000 level here, and we just look at the VPVR quickly, we can see that, you know, there's really no price traded here, so there should technically be no support. Not much here either, and honestly, you don't really start to see support until like 17,000. Or this is just like, we'll zoom in back here just so you can get rid of the 10,000. Yeah, so we can see that there's some support at 19,000. The $20,000 is a psychological level. Same thing for 30,000. So we might see a bounce at 30,000. But honestly, I think if we do keep breaking down at this rate, we'll see our price target of $14,000 to $12,000 in no time. But yeah, we can see that there's some support at 20,000 and 18,000. So I might pick up some Bitcoin around that area. We can see the RSI starting to bottom out. We can see the weekly. It's starting to drop as well. Once the weekly becomes oversold, that's when you want to start picking up some Bitcoin. And yep, this was to be expected. If you guys have been watching my videos the last few weeks, and everyone in the Discord has been warning about this, especially Daniel. I really like his that chart that he drew. If you guys haven't seen his chart yet, you should definitely join the Discord and take a look at it. It's a really it's a really good theory, and I think it honestly will play out. And right now we're right on track. And we're playing this out perfectly. The breakout is supposed to be exactly on June 8th, and you know what? We were on June 7th at around midnight, and I mean, now we're June 8th. We are broken down, so yep. We definitely broke out right on time. But right now we could see, like, I tried to help out a few people saying, like, we know we could reverse back up technically on this descending broadening wedge on a 15-minute, but you know, it's a 15-minute. And then we ended up breaking down. Now we're back in it, so we'll see where that takes us. Honestly, I think something like this could really play out. Me and Ben have been talking about it. Where we just go back up to retest it one last time, and that's the confirmation. And then we will see the big reversal all the way back down to 29,000, and then probably get a bounce from there, and then start to go back up, maybe to retest it $31,000 level, 33,000, and then start to move back down to 24, and then so on and so forth. We're gonna just go down, it's just staircase our way down to our price target. Some people are still in denial. We're still gonna pump. I mean, it's very possible we could still pump up, but the likelihood of us going to 50,000 now, it's every time we drop lower, those chances are diminishing, and you need to stay realistic and look at the facts. Right now we're having a small bullish divergence on the RSI. On the 50-minute, you see that we made a low, but the RSI made a higher low, and the price made a lower low, which means that we could maybe be reversing back up soon. Maybe it would be a good time to take some profits, but we don't really want to do that yet because there's just so much manipulation right now. You can see a manipulation X there. On the 15 minutes, there's even more, and on the 5-minute, don't even get me started. On the 5 minutes, it's all over the place as well. So definitely be careful, guys. Right now, you want to look for shorts. You don't want to look for longs. We are in a downtrend. I was looking for shorts more than longs. That's why I've been trying to get some shorts going. And honestly, it's been working out pretty well. Yeah. And we can see that, the price is dropping again. Bitcoin dominance is just not really moving right now because the entire market's dropping and everything's dropping with it. And we can see that also Ethereum right here has been really taking some big hits as well. A lot of people are talking about Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon, if like ever. Just because Ethereum's just it's an alternate coin as well. Even though the fundamentals are very good for Ethereum, I think once Bitcoin starts to get going, Ethereum's going to start to get going even faster. We could already see Bitcoin's down 2%, Ethereum's down 3.3%. That may not be a lot right now, but we'll see. We'll see where that takes us. And just looking at the SP 500 at the moment, we can see, yep, it's not going down yet. So we'll just keep up to date on that. It's not correcting anytime right now, but I'm still confident in my short position for the stock market, for the SP 500, and I think that will push Bitcoin even lower. So very good if you have a very large cash position. That would be very good to pick up some Bitcoin down there, but that's not financial advice. Definitely do your own research and make your own financial decisions. And I wanted to talk about one more thing as well. Can't remember what it is now. If I can't, yes, I wanted to compare it. Yes, before I let you guys go, I wanted to compare it to something that we did similarly right here. And this is where we entered our trade. One of our trades that really started to get us going on a challenge account, where we made around 228%, I believe, or 198%. We saw this. We broke out of this triangle right here, or this ascending wedge, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we dipped down below, really low. We fell around 6%, which is pretty significant. And then we went back up. We reversed. It took us a couple, maybe a day or two, and then we reversed back up, tested it perfectly, and then had a massive breakdown. We fell 45% since then. Not 19% there, but all down here we fell 45%. And that really got us going. Now we're consolidating again, and now we're breaking down. It's very possible that we go all the way down to maybe 31,400, where the support is. Oops, not draw it. Let's just go do this. It's very possible we do something like this, go back up and test it, and then ultimately go back down. That is a scenario that I will be definitely looking at. And if that's going to start playing out, then I'll probably take the profits on the shorts that I currently have, and then probably re-enter at a higher level, right? But I'm definitely not going to long anytime soon right now. Looking for longs is extremely dangerous, as we can see, as just a green dot here. Boom, we go down. A green dot there. Boom, we go down. Another green dot. Maybe this one will go up. I'm not taking any chances. It's pretty close to those manipulation X's, especially on the 2 hour. Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you have any more questions, just join the Discord. We make our trades every day. I mean, we don't make trades every day, but when we do make trades, we keep you guys up to date, or we try to. And Daniel and Ben are always in the Discord to help you guys trade. Anyways, thanks for the support, guys. We're actually past 400 subscribers now. We're at 406. This is awesome. I'm gonna get 2 new computers soon for the stream, so they're more consistent, because my laptops are starting to burn out, and I'm pretty sure one of them is going to explode soon. So we'll try to keep that keep that in just a little bit safer. Anyways, thanks for the support, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Peace.